Wait, there we go. Oh, wow.
Justin Bieber just took over Coachella, and the internet can't stop talking about it. From surprise moments to nostalgic throwbacks, it felt like a full circle performance. And what really stood out? The contrast. Soft, emotional moments mixed with bold, high-energy ones. And that contrast? That's exactly what inspired today's dish. Because great food, just like great performances, is all about balance. Sweet meets heat. Comfort meets edge. Today, we're making the peppery maple glazed sweet potato recipe, inspired by Justin Bieber. When you think of Justin Bieber, a few things probably come to mind. Chart-topping hits, massive crowds, and his Canadian roots. And it's that part of his identity that sparked this dish, especially something Canada is known for: maple syrup. I wanted to create something that feels like his music. Sweet, smooth, but with a bold edge. Because maple syrup isn't just a topping. It's rich, deep, and full of character. Kind of like Bieber's presence in pop. But his performances aren't just soft. They're dynamic. There's energy, movement, and a bit of fire. So to capture that, we're adding a peppery kick. Something that hits, just like a beat drop. And for the base, sweet potatoes. Simple, but underrated. They're naturally sweet, hearty, and perfect for bold flavors. Almost like they're made for this kind of contrast. To bring that heat, we're using cayenne and black pepper. Cayenne gives you that slow building warmth, like a chorus you can't get out of your head. And black pepper adds depth, grounding everything with a bold, savory finish. Start by peeling and cutting your sweet potatoes into even chunks. This step matters. Uniform pieces mean even roasting. Drizzle with olive oil, then season generously. Don't hold back. The seasoning is what gives this dish its personality. Spread everything onto a baking tray, making sure nothing overlaps. Roast until golden on the outside, soft on the inside. While that's roasting, let's make the glaze, maple syrup, with that peppery kick. This is where everything comes together. Sweet, spicy, and bold. Once the sweet potatoes are done, toss them in the glaze while they're still hot. They absorb all that flavor, locking in that perfect balance. Plate it up, take a bite, and you'll taste it. Sweet, bold, and full of contrast. Just like that Coachella moment. The peppery maple glazed sweet potato recipe, inspired by Justin Bieber and built on balance. So if you're into flavors that surprise you, this one's definitely worth trying. Turn up the music, enjoy the moment, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more recipes inspired by culture, music, and everything in between.